Everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David Olubenga Adetitun. I am your regular host on this Benga Akindele YouTube channel. This morning I'm talking about the need for you to have a budget. The need for everyone to have a budget. A budget is a financial plan for a defined period of time. A budget is a financial plan for a defined period of time. Companies have budgets. Nations have budgets. At the beginning of the year, you see the nation, they'll read out the budget, and any money that is not, any expenditure that is not budgeted for will not be spent on. So if companies and nations have budgets, individuals also should have budgets, family also should have budget. That means budget help you to spend within your means. It helps you so that you don't spend above your means. So now, what are the reasons why we need to have a budget? Number one reason is that budget helps us to identify our bad habits. Maybe you have some bad habits. Budget will help you to identify it and to curb it. Then budget helps in emergencies, because since you are budgeted for what we want to spend money on, then any emergency can be taken care of within the budget without any panicking. Budget also helps us not to overspend. If there is no budget, we are prone to overspending, but the moment we have budget, we are not going to overspend. Remember that we are on salary, or we are on wages, or we have a business profit, and all these are specific. Therefore, we need a budget also so that we can be able to spend within the resources that we have. Another thing that the budget does is that it makes us to have a happy retirement, because it makes us to have good plan because of the budget. Then a budget helps us to keep an eye on the goal, long-term goal, short-term goal, and even the mid-term goals. Then budgeting helps us to find it easy to pay all our bills. By the time you receive your income, you factor your bills into the income, and then you pay them one after the other. So this is factored into it. Then also a budget reduces our worry and anxiety, because everything has been planned and prepared for. A budget helps us to control our money instead of the money controlling us. That is another thing that a budget does for us. It helps us to control our money, and our money does not get to control. Then a budget also helps us to know whether we are living within our means or living above our means. I've said this before. It assists us in savings and in our investment goals. So when we have a budget, it helps us in our savings and also in our investment goals. It is a guide that tells us whether we are heading towards our desired financial goals or not. A budget is a guide. It helps us to know whether we are heading towards our financial goal or we are not heading towards it. A budget helps us to prepare for financial emergencies and unexpected expenses. A budget helps us to prepare for financial emergencies and unexpected expenses that might otherwise destabilize us. So there are some emergencies that may come our way that will otherwise destabilize us. Budget helps us to prepare and to be able to overcome them. Budgets help us to keep out of debt. It helps us to keep out of debt and gets us out of debt if you are already in debt. So with good budgeting, we can keep out of debt. And if you are already in debt, you can come out of debt because of the budget that we have drawn. Then budget helps to reveal areas where we are spending too much money and helps us to refocus on more important financial goals. Perhaps there are some areas of spending too much money. The budget will help us to refocus and to be focused on what we need to be focused on. So these are some of the benefits of having a budget. We find in some families there are skirmishes and fracas and misunderstanding because of financial situation, financial issues. These can be resolved with a good budget and with understanding. It cannot be resolved with budget alone, but with also understanding. Remember, for every wife, for every child, the income of your father, the income of your husband is fixed. but the expenditure is not fixed. And when the salary is paid at the beginning of the end of the month, another one will not be paid again until the end of the following month. So this is the reason why you need to draw a standard and a very good budget and plan it together. At the beginning of the month, you schedule money for different activities, different events. Money for school fees, you put it separate. Money for food, you highlight it and put it in a place. You put a particular figure to it, and everything, money for bills, for rent, you put it together in a particular place, and you write it, and then you total of everything you are going to spend for the month must not exceed what you are being paid. So this is simply how to draw a budget. So I am going to talk to you some other time in my next YouTube video. My name again is Gbenga Adetitun. I want to plead with you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I want you to support this YouTube channel with your financial resources. Even as I'm talking about budget, if you are willing to do that, you can reach me at newgbenga@yahoo.com. There are so many things that are still needed to make this YouTube channel to be a standard one. So I'm expecting your messages. God bless you. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Bye for now.